Sabi ko, I will sleep now in the playground.
Why you will sleep there?
Because, yeah, who's your baby now?
You.
No, I don't love you.
Why you don't love me?
Because you didn't buy me toys in the market.
But I buy you a lot of toys. Here are too many mess because of your toys. And you're always making mess. And you didn't want to massage more my back.
But I don't love you.
Why you don't love me?
Because because you didn't buy me toys in the market.
Because I buy a lot of toys to you.
Later, I will get my thing.
What?
Later, I will get my thing.
No, it's only making mess.
I will get my thing.
You're not going to get your 10.
I will get it.
I still love you, yo.
I don't love you.
I said don't throw anything. I said we can talk, but don't throw things to me, ah. You will see. I'm not your mommy now.
No.
You don't want me to be your mommy now?
Yes.
Who will get who you want to be a mommy?
I don't want to tell to you.
Why?
Because you don't love you just buy me some toys in the market.
Who is your family? I'm your still family.
No.
Who is your family?
Opa and Daddy and Oma and Opa and Dad and
My family is your kuya and ate, ah.
That's my family too.
No, that's my family. My family is ate, kuya, daddy, oma and opa and Tante Ingrid and nanay and tatay. That's my family. Who is your family?
I don't have no family because you wear it all.
I get it all. Who is your family now? Huh? Who is your family now? Because I get all your family. Huh? Who is your family? Then you stay alone. Who is your family? It's okay. You can get my family. It's okay. You can get my family. Who you want to be your family? You want to be your family, Oma and Opa, and Ate and Kuya and Daddy? Huh? Is that what you want? And then I'm alone. Huh? Or you still love me? Who you love then? Who do you love? Who do you love then? Angie.